This video demonstrates how to prepare and apply filler parts to optimize nesting layouts effectively. You'll learn to create filler part lists, select parts, and fill gaps while maintaining large part positions. To use filler parts, you need to make or prepare your list of parts that can be filler parts. To do this, we go to the icon in the top left corner. We click on the Create Edit Filler Order file. If you don't have a filler order already made, you can just create one by typing in here. If you do have one, select it and open it. And this will give you a list of all the parts that can be used as filler parts, like brackets or any small parts. When you click on each part, it shows your preview. It also gives you the dimensions of the parts. You can see the size. With any order to add other filler parts, you can just add parts here. Once this file is populated, keep in mind you can have different material types and thicknesses in this list. Before we can use the fill holes, we need to choose which parts you want to use. In your Sheet and Subnest tab, there is a Filler Parts button. This shows you all of the parts that are in that filler part list. If you go to the Show Preview, you can see a preview of the parts in the list. This gives you the flexibility to choose which parts you want to fill. You probably don't want to use all parts every time. For now, I'm just going to select 3. Then click OK. Here we have a nest with a lot of large parts and a lot of gaps. In order to apply the filler parts, we go back to your home, and in the automatic nesting group, we click Fill Holes. Click OK. We will keep all of the large parts in the exact same position and fill all the gaps where it can with the smaller parts. You can see this in the preview. If you are satisfied with what it's given you, you don't have to wait till the end. We can just hit Stop and OK. And now you'll see all of your small filler parts in between all the gaps. You can go to a different nest. You can see that it has gaps that you can fill. Now do it again. We click Fill Holes, click OK, and it'll fill the gaps. That's how you use filler parts.